If you've been in the crypto earning space for a while, you might remember Nuggmi.com. Today, we're taking a close look at this platform, how it works, and why you need to proceed with extreme caution if you decide to use it. Nuggmi.com is an older, established platform that originally gained a solid reputation. As a legit site for earning small amounts of crypto, the primary way to earn on Nuggmi is through paid-to-click (PTC) ads, where you click on sponsored links, watch a timer count down, and collect nuggets or crypto rewards in return. Beyond PTC ads, the platform also offers basic mining simulation mechanics, offerwalls, faucets, and daily quest tasks to boost your balance. However, there is a major warning every user needs to know about Nuggmi before spending any significant time on it. Recently, the site has suffered from severe neglect. The original admins have virtually abandoned their community. There is little to no support. Updates have completely stalled, and for a prolonged period, payouts completely stopped working or froze entirely for many users. While some functions remain active on the surface, an abandoned platform is a huge red flag in the crypto space. Here is how you should handle Nuggmi. Never deposit any real money or crypto into the platform. Treat it strictly as a free-to-play PTC site. If you use it, stick strictly to viewing ads or free features, and try to request small cash outs as early as possible to see if payouts are currently processing for your region. If you still want to check out the site and see how the PTC ads and mining features function, you can sign up using my referral link in the comments. Use it strictly as a free tool, never invest real funds, and let me know in the comments if payouts are working for you.